Alright, so we're going to start over here on this side, kind of taking this camera or spotlight, and then the bodies here. I've got them seated. I'd love for them to lay down the lines here. You got your first dancer. It can be farther down if you want. This is Trevor, but the light is on that person. As you'll see here at the beginning, eventually he starts to make his way down here, filling in this open space. Next two dancers add in. Trio here, doing stuff together. Fourth adds in, and then as they come through here, they can go in the ground, pick up rifle, and toss there. Layered step-offs coming in from the back. You can do the same work, 4 counts from each to get to the hold. And then reset this line that then passes over. These are dancers here. This person can come in flag. Of course, we don't want to see them. Toss and then direct focus to the solo here. Kind of add in over here. These two people would add in here on the phrase. So trio of flags take over. Add the 4th flag there. They are the focus all the way through there. Then the rifles can kind of take focus as the motion comes down here. These two spotlights come over, and now our duets are surrounded by spotlights. So that's kind of the idea, and hopefully that makes sense.